How to add delivery instructions on Instacart. In order to add delivery instructions on Instacart, what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to go to the Instacart section, and there, once you've actually done with the product or adding items to your bag, you just want to go to the checkout page and select continue shopping, or you just want to make sure to go ahead and start the close button, or you just want to make sure to go ahead and select it and proceed to checkout. Now, during the checkout page, you can select leave at my door if you are not around, or you could visit the order page to add instructions, provide the shopper hasn't already started working on it. So if you want to add in instructions as well, you can just go to the profile initials at the top right, and there you want to go to the order, and here you could go ahead and make changes as well. And you could also send specific instruction directly to a shopper through in-app chat feature as well. And this is how you're supposed to add delivery instructions on Instacart. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.